Is papaya leaf tea really the miracle digestive remedy everyone claims it is? Or could it be doing more harm than good? In this video, we're unpacking the truth about this tropical tea, from its surprising digestive powers, to the real risks most people don't talk about. Whether you're over 50 and looking for natural ways to ease bloating and gas, or you're just curious about herbal remedies, stay tuned. What you learn here might change how you see this super leaf forever. Papaya leaf tea is exactly what it sounds like. A tea made by steeping the green leaves of the papaya plant. While the fruit is widely loved for its soft texture and sweet taste, the leaves are far more bitter and often used in traditional medicine. In many parts of Asia, Africa, and South America, papaya leaves are used to treat all kinds of ailments, from indigestion to inflammation to even dengue fever recovery. But one of the biggest claims surrounding papaya leaf tea today is that it supports digestion like nothing else. So what exactly does papaya leaf tea promise? Supporters say it eases bloating and gas, stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces acid reflux, detoxifies the liver, and even helps the pancreas function better. Sounds amazing, right? Much of these benefits are linked to the presence of papain, a digestive enzyme naturally found in the papaya plant. Papain helps break down proteins, which can be especially useful for people who suffer from indigestion, slow metabolism, or poor nutrient absorption. Let's talk more about papain. Papain is a proteolytic enzyme, meaning it breaks down protein into smaller parts like peptides and amino acids. That's why it's used in meat tenderizers, but also why it's so beneficial for your stomach. For people over 50, digestive enzymes like papain may become more important. As we age, our stomach acid and enzyme production can naturally decline, leading to slower digestion, bloating, and discomfort after meals. A cup of papaya leaf tea before or after eating might support those enzyme levels and help food move more smoothly through your digestive tract. But papain isn't the only thing papaya leaves have going for them. They also contain flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which act as antioxidants, vitamin C, known to reduce inflammation, fiber, especially helpful for gut regularity, and alkaloids, plant compounds that may have antimicrobial effects. Together, these compounds create a powerful herbal blend that seems tailor-made for digestive wellness. Here's where things get tricky. Despite the hype, papaya leaf tea is not for everyone. For starters, papaya leaves are extremely potent, and in large doses they may irritate the stomach lining, especially for those with ulcers, IBS, or sensitive digestion. Some people report nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea after drinking papaya leaf tea too often or too strong. And because it can increase digestive enzyme activity and potentially stimulate the uterus, it's not considered safe during pregnancy. Also, if you're taking blood thinners, diabetic medications, or drugs that affect the liver, papaya leaf tea could interfere with how your body processes those drugs. So always speak to your doctor before trying this if you're on medication. Let's be real. Papaya leaf tea is bitter, really bitter. If you're expecting a soothing, pleasant herbal tea like chamomile, you'll be in for a shock. That bitter taste is actually due to the high level of alkaloids, which may contribute to its medicinal effects, but also make it hard for many people to tolerate regularly. Some people dilute it with lemon, honey, or mint, but if you can't handle bitter teas, this one might not be for you. Now let's talk science. While research is still developing, there have been promising studies on papaya leaf extracts, especially in the context of platelet count support during dengue fever. Some small-scale studies also suggest that papaya leaf tea may reduce gastric ulcers, improve liver enzyme levels, and support gut microbiota. But most of these studies are early, limited in scope, and often based on animal models. That means we need more large, controlled human studies before making strong medical claims. Still, traditional medicine has used papaya leaves for centuries, and that counts for something. So, who might benefit? Papaya leaf tea may be helpful for people with occasional bloating or indigestion, adults over 50 with mild enzyme deficiencies, those looking for a natural liver detox tea, people recovering from viral infections, of course with medical supervision, and anyone wanting to support digestion without pills. But again, start slow. Try half a cup brewed week, and always observe how your body responds. And if you're on medication or have any condition like ulcers, pregnancy, or liver or kidney problems, talk to your doctor first. Here's a simple and safe way to make papaya leaf tea at home. Take 1 or 2 fresh or dried papaya leaves and, wash them thoroughly. Then, boil them in 2 to 3 cups of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, strain, and let it cool. It's best to start with half a cup once daily. You can refrigerate any leftovers for 1 or 2 days. If the bitterness is too strong, go ahead and add a little lemon or honey. Just remember, avoid oversteeping or drinking in excess. Herbal doesn't always mean harmless. If papaya leaf tea feels a bit too intense, try these gentler digestive aids. Ginger tea is anti-inflammatory and warming. Peppermint tea is calming for the gut. Chamomile tea is great before bed. Fennel seed water can really soothe bloating, and digestive enzyme capsules, if medically advised, might help too. Each of these supports digestion in a different way, and honestly, may be easier on sensitive stomachs. So, is papaya leaf tea a miracle for digestion or a hidden danger? The answer depends on you. For many, it can offer real support, especially when used occasionally and in moderation. It's rich in digestive enzymes, antioxidants, and compounds that traditional medicine has trusted for centuries. But it's not a cure-all, and it's definitely not for everyone. Overdoing it can cause more harm than good, especially if you ignore the warnings or mix it with medications. The key is moderation, observation, and personalization. Have you ever tried papaya leaf tea? Let us know in the comments what your experience was, or if you're thinking of trying it. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's into natural remedies. Thanks for watching. And remember, the best medicine is the one that works safely for your body.